Birds connect the world, but they also connect us. From the rolling African savanna to our garden in the cities or in the countryside. From the great Saharan wetlands to the ponds found across Europe. From the southern African seashore to the Arctic tundra. World Migratory Bird Day occurs this year under quite particular circumstances, where our own movements are impeded by this unprecedented sanitary crisis. Let us then celebrate the World Migratory Bird Day, carried on the wings of these fabulous travelers, migratory birds. Enjoy listening to their songs and watching them in your neighborhood. Let us connect online to discover the life cycle all over the flyway and implement the actions to protect them. Each of us can do something for this migratory bird. Each of us can reconnect with nature and find some serenity. Happy World Migratory Bird Day.